A very good morning to everyone and my teacher. I am Dhvani Pandya. Today I got a as my favorite community helper. Do you know who is this? Yes, it is a Saf. Saf is also a community helper. First we will know who is Saf. Saf is trained professional cook who works in restaurant and hotel. Saf is responsible for preparing and cooking yummy food for us. See, my uniform color is white color uniform. Do you know why my uniform color is white color uniform? Because white color protects us from heat in the kitchen. As Saf, I want to give you some advice. During this coronavirus, wash your hands regularly. Must wash before cooking. One more thing. Saf is not my full name. My full name is clean, hygienic, ethnic food. See, it is my tool.